Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can deposit Fiat on MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your MEXC is you will log into your account and make sure to actually input your right credentials so that you will be able to successfully log into your account. And once you've logged in, you will just have to go to the wallet section. So it really depends on your screen or your layout. So what you will have to do is you will look for the wallet section, and once you see it, you will just have to select deposit and click Fiat deposit, and then you will choose your currency and preferred payment method, which is either bank transfer, credit or debit card, or third party service. And then you will just have to enter the amount that you would want to deposit, and then you will click review fees. And then after that, you will have to provide the required payment details and confirm the deposit. And after processing, your fiat will appear in your Mexi account, and it is now ready to trade for crypto. And by the way, you should double check all the details so that you will be able to avoid delays, and some payment methods may take longer to process. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.